Difference of two perfect cubes is 387. If the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, find the cube root of the smaller number. See, this question is very interesting. Say, first of all, they are telling that it's difference of two perfect cube. So there is a difference, means we have to, what we have to do first, we have to do subtraction, right? So subtraction of which numbers? That is also perfect cube numbers are there. Okay, so when we will subtract, now we are getting the answer, that is 387, right? And if the cube root of the greater number, so when you are subtracting two numbers, no, and usually at the left side, if the answer is in the positive, no, left side answer will be what? Now it is like a greater number. For example, if you are subtract 4 minus 2, you are getting answer 2 here. So while what if it is 2 minus 4, you would have get as a minus 2 here, but the answer which is in a plus, so obviously this side is a greater number, and that greater number cube root, they are saying 8 cube root. Okay, means to get this number, what we need to do, we need to find the 8's cube here. Okay, so from that, when you will subtract another number, no, you'll get the answer 387. So we need to find the cube root of the smaller number. So we know the greater number's cube root, that is 8, but we need to find the smaller number cube root here. That I don't know, I'll just consider as a x, and here it is 8 cube we need to find, right? So first we will multiply, then we will find out the x value here. Here 8 we need to multiply 3 times, right? 8 8 is 64, again into 8. Now see here, 8 4 is 32, 2 here, 3 here, 48, 48 plus 3 is 51. Okay, so we got 512. 512 minus x, which is equals to 387. Now to find out the x value, what I will do, I will shift to this right side, and meanwhile I'll take this number to left side. Okay, so 512 minus 387, and when it will shift to the right side, no, it will become plus x, and I am simply writing x here, and when I have taken to the left side, no, it will become minus 387. It was here plus. Now 512 minus 387, that result I'll get, that is 125 after subtraction, which is equals to x. Okay, now see here. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that only we are not writing simple x, we have to write x raised to the power 3. How we have mentioned on here, like that we have to write the power 3 also. So I'll be having here x cube, that is. Now I'm shifting this cube to left side, so I'll be getting x equals to cube root of 125. Okay, and 125's cube root, that is 5. So x value how much now? That is 5. Okay, now for this we can also do cross check here. 8 cube, which is 512, and x value we found, that is 5, and 5's cube, that is 125, and in between what it is there? Minus sign it is there. Now we will do the subtraction here. So after subtraction, I must get a 387. So minus 125, 12 minus 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and here it is 10 minus 2 is 8, and here it is 4 minus 1 is, I'll get 3. See, this is 7, sorry. So we got the 387. Hence what we found the answer, which is correct, this 5. Okay.